Hello everybody, I got a package I wanted to share with you guys today, so I'm going to open it up. Move that out of the way. So a set of 3 figures, I haven't looked at it yet. It's the first time I'm looking at it. Really nice packaging. Nice artwork. It's from Joytoy. It's a set of 3. I'm gonna get into it. I think. There we go. Here's the name for you. Peron, I think it's pronounced. It's a set of 3 ladies. Oops, another plastic. Get them out. See if they'll stand. There we go. Oh, I see. One of these turned. Get into the finicky details in a minute. That looks pretty nice. Let's see. I really like this coloring. I saw them online. Really like the blue. Got some really nice head sculpts there. They each got their own helmet. They're all the same. It's a 12 on the top. Comes with a blue pack. Aha! Which has their spare heads in there for the helmets. So I don't think they're going to fit over the head molds. Yeah, it's a bit too tight. Got some spare joints and knee pads and stuff in there. The other heads as well. Got a couple of pretty nice rifles in here. And an exosuit. One of them can wear. Come with a pretty nice sniper rifle there. Like that yellow. Couple of different assault rifles. Nice coloring there on them too. And what looks like either an SMG with a drum magazine or a shotgun. Alright. I've never gotten one of these ones with the exosuit. That's new to me. That's pretty interesting. I'll have to get that on one of them, I think, eventually. Let's see. Gonna have to take her hands off. It's nice with Joytoy, their hands and all that come on pegs. Really easy to pull on and off. Don't do it too much or you'll loosen up the joints. Though, that's not good. I'd have to take the leg armor off. Get this lower bit on her. That's not going to want to go over that molding. Sorry guys, this is the first time I've seen these guys, these ladies, so never had a set with these exosuits. They're pretty cool. Let's see. Probably be easier if I did it like this. No, same problem. Yeah, no, I'm not going to force that on there. It's a little bit too small. The hole to get them over the molding of her leg here. On the ankle, there's where it flares out. I can't really fit that over. That's pretty cool. I think they look pretty nice. I've already said that they can't. The helmets aren't going to fit on their heads because of the hair molding, so they come with blank heads, and you can put on the helmet over. Which is looks like it will be just a perfect fit. Put it on one of them real quick. That looks pretty nice. I think I tried this a minute ago, but we'll see. She can fit it without the spare head, but the other ones I don't think will. Well, obviously she can't. Her hair is a bit too big on the sides, but that's pretty nice. I hope y'all had liked this. I enjoyed it, and I'll do a more in-depth review of these figures another time. I hope y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching.